What's something people don't know about pumpkins? They don't have to be a pain to peel. First, cut your pumpkin into pieces, then cut each piece in half. Grab a spoon and scrape out those seeds and the core. Now notice those grooves? They can be tricky. Here's the secret. Slice the pumpkin into long strips about 1 centimeter wide. With these smaller pieces, peeling becomes a breeze. Use a knife to carefully remove the skin. If you hit a groove, switch to a fruit knife. And there you have it. Perfectly peeled pumpkin in under a minute. Ready for your next delicious dish. Give it a try and impress your family and friends. Happy cooking!